Like, I'm using like Jedi mind tricks to make you guys do shit. Like, improve your life. Improve your life. Did it work? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Andrew Fillion, and today we're going to be talking about mindsets. These are going to be mindsets that help develop you into a champion, into somebody who can take on any challenge and doesn't take no for an answer. So let's break it down. Your brain is like a factory, and your thoughts are like an assembly line. The thoughts that you have throughout the day build out your reality. Now look, the world has events and circumstances that we cannot change, and these are the same for everybody. That's called reality. But our perception of that creates our own reality. And the way that you manage your thoughts can greatly change your perception of reality. So we can take two people who experience the exact same thing and they both perceive it in vastly different outcomes. Now I'm gonna give you guys an easy example of this. Let's say you're driving in the car, you're going down the highway, and this guy cuts you off. You can choose to be angry, you can choose to be upset, you can get road rage, or you could do what I do. You just say, hey man, this guy is busy. I respect the hustle. I respect the grind. He's going out there and getting it, whatever. We could even be in the same car. The same event happened, but it's how you respond to it that shapes your life. The way I look at things, there's really only 3 events that could possibly happen to me. Good things, opportunities, and challenges. Now, good things are obvious. When a good thing happens to you, you just be grateful and you go on your way. You don't want to make a good thing and make it into something that's not. Good things happen, bad things happen. You got to take them both in with the same level of stoicism. Now, what about opportunities? The thing about opportunities is this is really where perception comes in. Let's say you're dating a girl and she breaks up with you. You could wallow in self-pity for days and weeks on end, or you see it as an opportunity. An opportunity to go get a better girlfriend. An opportunity to work on your business. An opportunity to spend that time that you were spending with her on self-improvement, getting in better shape, getting your life together. That's an opportunity. Say you get fired from your job. Are you gonna wallow in self-pity? Or are you gonna say, you know what? I have all this time to now go look for an even better job than the one I just got fired from. When you perceive your reality this way, anything that comes at you just becomes something that makes you stronger. Now let's talk about challenges. Challenges are gonna be things that block you from your goals. But we're gonna accomplish our goals anyways. Think about missing a flight. Okay, I missed a flight. Well, I'm gonna take the long way around, but I'm still gonna get there. It's just gonna take longer, but it's not going to stop me. That is all about your perception of reality. You take anything that happens in your life and you say, you know what, I'm gonna succeed anyways. And it's all about building up these positive thoughts. You see, we're all living in the world that we tell ourselves. So I'm always telling myself things are working out, winning all the time. Things are always going good for me. And I tell myself that until I believe it. And it can work for you too. If you feel like you're stuck in a rut, just start looking at all the things that put you there as challenges and opportunities. You start doing that and you're gonna find ways to turn things around in your own life and start winning. When you win, you build a positive feedback loop. It gets easier and easier to win over time when you've got all this momentum pushing you forward. And eventually you get to a part where you're basically just on autopilot, and then you come up with even bigger challenges. Instead of letting the challenges come to you, you go out and you find the craziest challenge you can think of. There's a reason people climb Mount Everest. There ain't anything up there, but it's to prove to yourself that you can do it. I want you to start fixing your thoughts. Don't ever say I can't. Don't ever say that's not for me. If something hasn't happened yet, you don't say I can't do this. You say I haven't done this yet, but you're going to. You can do anything that you want. And if there's new challenges you want to accomplish, doesn't matter what it is, you just dive in with confidence. So guys, a big takeaway here, your brain is an assembly line, and we need to feed thoughts into the assembly line to get us to a better reality. It's all about how you perceive it. If you always perceive it from an angle of I'm winning or I'm getting better, eventually you start to believe it and it becomes real. Now this next part is really important, guys. I'm gonna need you to like the video. Just hit it, and then you're good, and I'm good, and I'm happy, and you're happy. Do that, and with that, I'll see you guys in the next one. What is your reality?